What is the best facial cleansing set? The answer is to pick one that is simple, easy to follow religiously, and products that give you protection and nourishment, resulting in healthier skin with every progress you make. Wanting to achieve healthy-looking skin, one that makes you smile in the mirror, involves work and consistency that you have to put in daily. But when you start a new routine, it is hard to know whom to listen to. With brands saying one thing and experts saying another, it becomes overwhelming to know which path to go on your skincare journey. But remember that skincare is subjective and personal and will always rely on your specific needs. The only one to listen to is your skin. Hone in on what concerns you want to deal with, what goals you want to achieve, and how you will achieve them, and you're off to a good start. What are the essential steps in skincare? Checking the ingredients of products you want to use will be a rule of thumb as we go into these steps. What you need for a cleansing kit should provide repair and protection to the skin's natural barrier. Look for products that have moisture-binding ingredients, ones that soften, smooth, and are overall rich in antioxidants. Typically, Truffoire Skincare checks all the boxes for this due to the ceramides, vitamins, and fatty acids in truffles. As we list down 5 steps that will be the go-to regimen you can change and build off of for overall skin health, you will see what the diamond of the kitchen can do for your skin. Cleansing. Washing your face is one of the most vital parts of any routine. Make this a habit, and you will reward your skin with a brighter and clearer appearance. Cleansing twice a day prevents pollution, dirt, and other environmental stressors from damaging the skin. Once in the morning and at night will do. Find gentle cleansers to clean your face with, making sure that it does not strip the skin of its natural oils. We recommend the White Truffle Milk Cleanser, which softens while it rids your skin of impurities, or one that has vitamin C to help improve rough textures and dullness. The Black Truffle Vitamin C Cleanser will do the job. A clean face will let all the other products in, deeply nourishing you. Toning. Toners are a great way to balance the skin, get a deep cleansing, and deliver a potent mix of nourishment to the skin, penetrating quickly and efficiently. You can use it after you cleanse for a boost of skin-loving nutrients. Some may opt out of using a toner, and that is also okay, especially if your skin doesn't need one. But if you want all the good stuff and added hydration, we suggest the White Truffle Toner for a plumper complexion. It will help refine and refresh the skin and boost your other products to work better. Use twice a day, morning and night, and allow it to seep deeply before applying the next step of your routine. Moisturizing. A moisturizer's job is to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized throughout the day. No matter the skin type, you will want one in your bag to help you on a long day of changing weather, prolonged sun exposure, and pollution. A good moisturizer will give an added layer of hydration as a shield that will prevent fine lines and wrinkles from forming. Products with shea butter, aloe vera, and white truffle are the ticket to soothe, calm, and moisturize the skin. The White Truffle Day Moisturizer boasts all 3 ingredients and more, making it a favorite from the Truffoire line. Using sunscreen. Sunscreen is a surefire way to protect your skin against harmful UV rays. Sun damage contributes to redness, dryness, sunburn, skin cancer, and premature aging. Frequently applying sunscreen can also prevent uneven skin tone, discoloration, and hyperpigmentation. It reduces so much risk just by making it part of your routine. If you are out and even indoors, wearing sunscreen will help protect you from sun damage. It is best used daily and even on cloudy days. Apply it across any season. There is no wrong way to use this protection. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 or higher to protect against both UVA and UVB damage to keep you shielded all day long. Occasionally using a facial peel. Adding a light peel to your regimen can help renew the skin and exfoliate deeper than your cleanser or toner. Light facial peels focus on the outermost layer of the skin, targeting rough, dry skin and helping reduce the appearance of wrinkles. If you are thinking, oh, another thing to remember to do, don't worry. Peels, depending on their strength, take weeks before you need one again. Light peels, for example, can be done every 2 to 5 weeks, letting your skin recover. After repeated treatments, peels can yield significantly noticeable changes to the skin, healing back years and revealing a younger complexion underneath the dead skin cells, dirt, and other impurities. Truffoire's White Truffle Facial Peeling can be the one to give you that glowing, revived skin. Their deep exfoliation gel contains a concentrated solution built with the revitalizing white truffle, anti-aging vitamin E, and green tea to brighten as a cherry on top. That concludes our must-haves for your solid yet easy-to-follow regimen. So, as a quick recap, the best cleansing set for us comes in 5 parts: a gentle cleanser, a skin-balancing toner, a softening and hydrating moisturizer, an all-out protection sunscreen, and an exfoliating facial peel. Why are these steps important in skincare? Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it faces a lot of challenges daily. From environmental stressors like UV rays and pollution to the natural aging process. Taking care of your skin is not just about looking good, it's about maintaining its health and protecting it from damage. With these skincare steps paired with high-quality products, you can keep your skin looking and feeling its best, boost your confidence, and even help reduce the appearance of aging. Skincare in general is key to keeping you fresh and healthy. The many benefits greatly outweigh the cost and time that it takes to be consistent with a decent regimen. Maintain skin health. A proper routine, even a minimalist one, can help boost your overall skin health more than just not having one at all. Providing it with the necessary nutrients and hydration will give you noticeable changes. You can prevent skin damage by applying broad-spectrum sunscreen for UV protection, avoiding harsh chemicals to prevent irritation and inflammation, keeping yourself moisturized to maintain skin hydration. These are part of the simple ways to keep damage at bay. Managing skin conditions. Good skincare products and treatments can help manage skin conditions such as acne and eczema, reducing inflammation, unclogging pores, balancing the skin, and dealing with premature skin aging. By aiming to manage these conditions, your skin will bloom and glow, boosting your confidence. A consistent skincare routine promotes collagen production, which prevents wrinkles, fine lines, uneven skin tone, and rough textured skin. Skincare is a trial and error process. It will take time, but you will find a mix of products that will give you the results you want. It depends on your skin and needs, and which type of products you will add or skip when you start trying out what regimen works for you. Next time, you'll be adding masks, serums, and even at-home skincare devices. There is a lot to discover, which will all help boost your skin health with a proper match. Conclusion: what is the best cleansing set? Our recommendation is as follows: cleanser, White Truffle Milk Cleanser; toner, White Truffle Toner; moisturizer, White Truffle Day Moisturizer; sunscreen, any sunscreen that gives a broad spectrum formula with SPF 30+; peel, White Truffle Facial Peeling. With so many other luscious and potent formulas in the Truffoire line, it is a hard list to narrow down, but you can easily switch out any of these products from the other collections to achieve your specific goals. Frequently asked questions: what skincare product should I use first? Always start with a cleanser and then go from there. The rule of thumb is to go from the lightest to the heaviest. How do you apply toner? After cleansing the face, use a cotton pad or clean hands to apply the toner on your face and neck. Gently pat your skin and allow the toner to absorb before applying other products, such as your moisturizer. What is the correct way to apply moisturizer? After toner, apply moisturizer before your skin is completely dry to help lock in moisture.